Today start a new lecture, oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohol. Look here, a different definition of oxidation of alcohol. A simple concept we studied the last year, 11th standard. The first, what is the oxidation? Addition of oxygen. What is the second point? Next point, everybody. A second point, a addition of electronegative element. Third point, removal of electropositive element. Next, increase the oxidation number is called as oxidation. Next, the species which lost the electron, remove the electron, also called as oxidations. How many definition of oxidation? A 6 definition of oxidations. A simple definition, oxidation of alcohol is addition of oxygen. Look here, a oxidation of alcohol depending upon nature of alcohol. Nature means type of alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, third tertiary alcohol. Look here, a first point A, primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Simple, fen primary alcohol are CH2OH. Primary alcohol. Fen primary alcohol is oxidized by acidified K2Cr27 means K2Cr2O7 dilute H2SO4. A different oxidizing agent by using HNO3, by using KMnO4. A first it gives RCrCOH, name of the compound aldehyde, plus H2O. Look here, a oxygen, simple, AH, okay. Next, H2O, oxidation. Look here, actual reaction by using oxidizing agent, but reaction undergoes a dehydration. Reaction undergoes dehydration. Why? A removal of water molecules. Look here, next, the aldehyde further oxidation to form a corresponding carboxylic acid RCOOH. Corresponding carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Look here, a number of the carbon atom here is C is equal to X. Next, C is equal to X, missing is carbon, and last carbon is equal to X. Look here, in this example, a intermediate compound aldehyde and the carboxylic acid having the same number of the carbon atom. Therefore, alcohol is primary alcohol. Alcohol is primary alcohol. Why? Simple formula, C is equal to X, C is equal to X, C is equal to X. Therefore, alcohol is a primary alcohol. Why? A intermediate compound aldehyde and the oxidative last product carboxylic acid having the same number of the carbon atoms. Look here, explanation. Fen primary alcohol is oxidized by acidified potassium dichromate. At first it gives corresponding aldehyde, which on a further oxidation to form corresponding carboxylic acid. Look here, in case of primary alcohol, direct use acidified potassium dichromate, KMnO4 or nitric acid. Actually, a acidified dichromate react with primary alcohol directly to form the carboxylic acid. This reaction is not stop aldehyde stage, intermediate stage. आपणाला जर जेडबल नीट साठी जर असा क्वेश्चन विचारला गेला की when primary alcohol react acidified potassium dichromate which product gives, you know, a MCQ first aldehyde, MCQ second carboxylic acid. Answer carboxylic acid. Why? This reaction not stop aldehyde by using a acidified potassium dichromate. Correct? Look here, a specific example. Next, only change the value of R. Only change the value of R. Correct? Yes. Value of R. Next, value of R. Correct? Yes. Look here, example. Example, ethyl alcohol. CH3CH2OH ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is oxidized by acidified potassium dichromate, KMnO4 or nitric acids. First it gives acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Which on further oxidation to form acetic acid. Acetic acid. Look here, simple. You know, in ethyl alcohol, how many carbon atom here? 2. In case of acetaldehyde contain how many carbon atom? 2. In case of acetic acid, how many carbon atom? 2. Means a acetaldehyde and acetic acid having the same number of carbon atom. Therefore, alcohol is primary alcohol. Alcohol is a primary alcohol. Simple. Okay, simple concept. Look at when ethyl alcohol is oxidized by acidified potassium dichromate, first it gives acetaldehyde which on a further oxidation to form acetic acids. Okay. This is the reaction of a oxidation reaction of ethyl alcohol. Look here, next example. Next example in case of N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. When N-propyl alcohol CH3, CH2, CH2OH. N-propyl alcohol is oxidized by acidified a K2Cr27. A first it gives CH3, CH2, COH. Name of the compound propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Propionaldehyde. Which on further oxidation to form a CH3, CH2, COOH means propionic acid. Propionic acid. Correct? Yes. Look at explanation of this reaction. When N-propyl alcohol is oxidized by acidified potassium dichromate. First it gives propionaldehyde which on further oxidation to form propionic acid. Correct? Yes. Look here. Look here. The reaction, everybody, look here, reaction occurs in only one step, means alcohol convert into aldehyde by using is another oxidizing agent. By using another oxidizing agent means PCC oblique PDC. PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate or PDC, pyridinium dichromate. Pyridinium dichromate. Look here, this is the one-step reaction, no further oxidation. Only aldehyde, but not a carboxylic acid. Look here. When primary alcohol are CH2OH, primary alcohol. Look here, when primary alcohol is oxidized by PCC oblique PDC, it gives the corresponding R COOH. Name of the compound carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Correct? Carboxylic. 1 minute. Look here, H. Okay, plus H2O. Aldehyde. I repeat. When primary alcohol is oxidized by PCC oblique PDC, it gives corresponding aldehyde. No carboxylic acid. No carboxylic acid. Look here, example, specific example, ethyl alcohol. specific example, ethyl alcohol. This is a one-step reaction. Look here, ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is oxidized by PCC/PDC, pyridinium chlorochromate or pyridinium dichromate, it gives only aldehyde. Means here a compound acetaldehyde. Compound acetaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Acetaldehyde. Okay? Yeah, this reaction only one step. Only one step. Second, when N-propyl alcohol. When N-propyl alcohol is oxidized by PCC/PDC, it gives propionaldehyde. Okay? Yes. Second reaction. Second, CH3, CH2, CH2OH, N-propyl alcohol is oxidized by a PCC/PDC, it gives CH3, CH2, COH, name of the compound propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Correct? Yes. What is this? This is the primary alcohol. By using acidified potassium dichromate to form directly oxidized product, a carboxylic acid. And second, by using PCC and PDC, this is the one-step reaction to form only aldehyde, but not a further oxidation of the carboxylic acids. Correct? Yes. Look here, next. Secondary alcohol. Look here, secondary alcohol, a general reaction. B, secondary alcohol. Look here, R, CHOH, next R. Correct? Yes, secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohol is oxidized by chromic anhydride CrO3, it gives RCOR, name of the compound ketone, plus H2O. Correct? Yes. Look here, when secondary alcohol is oxidized by chromic anhydride, it gives corresponding ketone. By using acidified potassium dichromate, by using drastic condition, but direct use a chromic anhydride to form corresponding ketone. Direct reaction. Why? Actually, a order of reactivity in oxidation reaction of alcohol is 1 degree greater than 1 degree greater than 2 degree, means primary alcohol greater than secondary alcohol. Look here. Example, isopropyl alcohol. Look here, isopropyl alcohol, CH3, CHOH, next is the CH3, isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Correct? Yes. Is oxidized by a acetic anhydride, it gives CH3, CO, CH3 plus H2O, name of the compound acetone. Name of the compound acetone. Okay? मला सगळं किती सिंपल रिएक्शन आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये काही विचार कर. एकदा आपल्याला जनरल रिएक्शन आली की आपल्या सर्वची सर्व रिएक्शन एवढ्या सुंदर येऊ शकतात. When isopropyl alcohol is oxidized by a acid, everybody, a chromic anhydride, it gives acetone. Okay? Look here, a chromic anhydride also by using means a PCC and PDC also used in these reactions. PCC and PDC also, this is also one-step reaction. Also a one-step reaction here. Second example, in case of 1 minute, a second example, secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. You know CH3, next CH, next OH, next CH2, CH3, secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol is oxidized by a chromic anhydride used CH3CO, next CH2, CH3, name of the compound ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone, okay, correct, plus H2O. Okay, yes. Look here, secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. One step reaction here. One step reaction, oxidation of alcohol. Look here, a ketone which on further oxidation. Oh yes. Ketone on further oxidation by using chromic acid to form the corresponding carboxylic acid. करू शकतो. Correct? Yes. But in this chapter only ketone. Correct? Yes. Look here. Next, a tertiary alcohol. Oxidation of tertiary alcohol. Is point C, tertiary alcohol. Look here. CH3C, CH3OH, tertiary alcohol means tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Look here, tertiary alcohol difficult to oxidize by using the soft oxidizing agent. Easily oxidation होणार नाही. का होणार नाहीये? In tertiary alcohol which containing how many bulky group here? 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 bulky group. There are steric hindrance or crowding effect. This is the difficulty oxidation by using the soft oxidizing agent. Look here, tertiary butyl alcohol, simple first step, by using chromic anhydride, first step dehydration. First step dehydration means product here CH3 double bond CH2 plus H2O. What is this? Isobutylene. Isobutylene. Correct? Look here, further oxidation. Chromic anhydride to form CH3CO. Next is the CH3. What is the name of this compound? Acetone. Plus ACO2 plus H2O. Further oxidation. Correct? Yes. CrO3. You know, product here CH3COOH. Name of the compound? Acetic acid. Acetic acid plus CO2 plus H2O. Correct? Look here, tertiary butyl alcohol by using, you know, here oxidation by using the chromic anhydride. The first steps, dehydration. First step, dehydration to form isobutylene. Isobutylene further oxidation to form the acetone, and then further oxidation to form acetic acid. Look here, both isobutylene, how many carbon atom? 4. In case of acetic acid, how many carbon atom? 2. Means both intermediate product and last oxidative product, a difference, how many carbon atom here? 2 carbon atoms. Therefore, alcohol is a tertiary alcohol. Alcohol is a tertiary alcohol. You know which part studied here? A primary alcohol, a secondary alcohol, a tertiary alcohol. Look here, in this reaction, a oxidation, order of oxidation of alcohol, a 1 degree alcohol greater than 2 degree alcohol greater than 3 degree alcohol means a primary alcohol greater than secondary alcohol greater than a tertiary alcohols. Correct? Yes. Like this. First point, a 1 degree alcohol greater than 2 degree alcohol greater than 3 degree alcohol. Actually, oxidation reactions depends upon a nature of alcohols. Nature of alcohol. And third point, in case of tertiary alcohol, to difficult to oxidation of tertiary alcohol by using the soft oxidizing agent because a bulky alkyl group are repulsion, crowding effect or stirring effect. Correct? Yes. A complete part, a oxidation of alcohol in case of primary alcohol, in case of secondary alcohol, and last a tertiary alcohol. Yes. Okay.